Today on Kung Fu Maintenance, going to be showing you some different options for capacitors, both just for understanding it, but also by splitting off the capacitor for the fan, you can actually save a bit of money in the long run when you're doing your preventative maintenance. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. Okay. Preventative maintenance continues. Pull the disconnect on this one. Just going through testing all my capacitors. This one's got a subcal 5 and 35 right here. Wow, it's got a, looks like was a dual cap. It's been separated from the sides. So I get a feeling this one's going to be, oh, looks like it's got maybe a 45 on it. Let's see, looks like a newer compressor. Discharge the capacitor. A capacitor holds a charge in it even after the power is disconnected. Let's see, it's a 45.5. Okay. This one should be interesting. Okay. Let's see what we got. Yeah. Okay, so testing this one out. Common to Herm, which is the only side we're using on this one. 44.6, so that's good. Common to fan, 4.98, so that's good as well. And then checking the fan here. .6. The fan is weak. So if we got a weak fan, we could cap off the brown and white capacitor wire and just connect the single brown capacitor wire to the fan port on the dual cap. Dual cap makes the connection to common internally. This particular fan motor has a brown and white wire that makes the connection to common. Another way is to use a jumper wire from the fan capacitor. We could replace the 5. This one's already wired to be separate. I'm going to go with that route because it makes it easier in the future. Here's our Herm. Here's our hard start kit. Here's our common. Okay. Other common and hard start kit. All that, and we're going to change the 5. Just a little weak. And going with these Titan Pros seem to hold up better for me. So. nice and tight. so we can test it. Those dust protectors are good. The only problem is you can't check them that way. Okay. So, there it is. Done? Alright. And just bouncing around quite a bit. I'll just put my compressor protector cover back on, and we're all set there. A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are. You should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.
Therefore will not we fear, though the earth be moved, though the mountains be carried into the midst of the sea, though the waters that roll me trouble, though the mountains shake, swell and sea life. City of God, the holy place of the tabernacles of the Most High. God is in the midst of her, she shall not be moved. God shall help her now right early. Oh, yeah, yeah. Even raised up